Well, hello everybody, welcome back to analysis routine video. My name is Alexander Nikitin. I'm a professional trader and a developer of pattern search software. Guys, if you are new, what I'm doing here, especially this week, I'm posting my analysis routine, how I do actually find the trade, how I do actually set the trades, and it is almost absolutely the same that I do in real-time trading. I've been testing my new swing identification algorithm for a month, since 21st of August. That was the first day. And this new swing identification algorithm shows, for now, it shows better results that I had in my back testing with automatic swing identification algorithm. And it has a bit better results that I had with my old way of trading patterns, so it's kind of new for me. That's why I do the testing of that in real time. I test that on a real account. It is LPerry ECN. I'm not using demo because on real accounts we have real money at stake, we have real emotions, we have real something. I started that from 500, somewhere 500, and now I am 974. This is an update of my trades. So far I have the following trades on my in my platform. It is a, what was it, dollar Canadian 4-hour back pattern. It was found this way. Just click on the first, click on the second, and the trade is set like this. The rest is done by Pattern Trade Assistant that adjusts the targets. It does the automatic break even. If the first target is hit, you can see that I'm risking nothing on this particular trade. You can see my risk is 0, but I can generate how many? $60. Not bad. Okay, euro dollar, it is the same. So how this trade was found? It was found this way, from here to here, absolutely fast, absolutely perfect. So let me reset this trade for now, because I had some account grew slightly, so I am to recalculate the position size. It should reflect the new account information. 44.3, 44.3. It is needed to calculate the distance towards the stop loss. So it will be calculated from here to here by this Pattern Trade Assistant. It does automatic trade management and it does set the trade like this. Boom, boom. 2 trades set. First target, second target. I am risking 37 on this particular trade. Dollar Canadian. It is the bearish pattern. It was found this way, like this, from here to here. The pattern set. I've said that recently, maybe an hour ago. Okay, New Zealand Canadian, it was set yesterday and it was found this way, from here to here, and the pattern set. So it hit the first target, it already is break even. Hopefully it hits the second target of 55, but if doesn't, well, if no, then no. Let's go next. Pound New Zealand, another pattern. I placed that recently, maybe an hour ago or somewhere. It looks this way. It was found that way. Absolutely fast. If it goes and breaks this slow, then it will be invalidated, so keep in mind on this trade. Hope I'm not going too fast. You can pause the video and watch the stop loss, the entry point, the take profit 1, the take profit 2, and place it manually if you don't have Pattern Trade Assistant. If you do have the Pattern Trade Assistant, you know what to do. You just do the same operations that I do in front of my eyes, in front of your eyes, sorry. Okay, so this is the morning trade that I found in the morning, and it was found this way, a bit different from other patterns because it is the cipher pattern. It should be drawn this way. X to A to B to C. If the pattern is valid, it is drawn. If it is not valid, nothing happens. Nothing is drawn. Okay, Pound New Zealand. another cipher pattern. Cipher is one of the most profitable patterns. So by the way, I am to recalculate this trade. It was set very, very long ago, so it should be recalculated for an appropriate money management. Okay, here is the trade. I am to set the stop loss to calculate the money management. 15.1. Okay, and let the trade be recalculated. Okay, instead of 0.03 I have 0.04 because my account grew a little bit. Aussie Canadian, look at this, pretty fast. Manual H press is wonderful. You can draw your manual swings, whatever you wish. You aren't anyhow binded with the swing identification algorithm that is in automated system. Sometimes you can draw the same as the automated. Sometimes you can be slightly more creative and draw your own patterns, but it doesn't really matter how you draw them. So here are the trades. As we have Friday today and I've been updating you on my trades for the whole week, look for those videos that are called analysis routine session, analysis routine, something like this. These are the keywords for those videos. I've been recording these videos for the whole week already. It was on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and now we have Friday. And you can see slightly how I've been progressing on my account and how I hit the drawdown and how every trade was setting in front of you guys. Okay, what about the statistics that I have right now? I will save it as a detailed statement XLS. This is the history, standard history MetaTrader report, but I will open it in Excel. Okay, why do I need to open it in Excel? I will explain you in a second. I've been explaining it for the whole week as well, but I will explain it once again. Okay, so first of all, I don't need canceled trades. Yes, I will just delete them from my strategy report. Cancelled. Show me all the trades that were cancelled. If you look here, how many trades were cancelled? 106 trades were cancelled. I total have 144. So if I had 144, let me show you something. 106 cancelled, 144 total. So it was not 144, sorry, 106, come on, 106 plus 144. So total trades were this, 250. Okay, 106 out of those 250 were cancelled. So we have 42% of trades that I said were actually cancelled. So 42% that price never goes and hits the trade. I were to delete this trade. 42% were deleted. Well, I can't say that's a good idea to trade towards the completion of the pattern. I never backtested that. But it was only cancelled in 42 cases. Maybe there is some reason after the C point is installed. Maybe there is a good reason to trade that towards the completion of the pattern. Maybe. I don't say that. Okay, and another reason I am to do the adjustment here of the MetaTrader strategy report is this. Let me show you. You know, when the pattern is a winner, it first closes the first target and the second target is break even. So this means that the stop loss of the second half of your position, of your second trade, is moved to entry. So you stay break even in worst case scenario. But with real-time trading, it's not actually zero. It is negative than zero. Although the pattern was overall winner, yes, it hit the first target and then it hit zero. You have less than 0, you have it negative with MetaTrader report because of swap, because of commissions, because of, I don't know, taxes, because of slippage, whatever. So it is slightly negative. That's why it is calculated wrong way. You don't know the true accuracy. When you have positive trades calculated as negative trades, it is a bit strange. So the true accuracy, I will type it this way: the very, very, very slight positive, so it doesn't anyhow ruin the overall accuracy of the pattern. So, and let me disable all filters. Now we have the true performance, and let's do some calculations. Okay, first of all, let's calculate the starting point. So what I have generated, let's minus the closed trades profits. It equals this amount I started from. Okay, let's do this. Total net profit, let's calculate the percentage. It equals what I have generated divided by what I started from. So it is 98%, almost 100% within a month. I've been trading for 1 month. Okay, 98.30. What else I need? Short position 1, long position 1, actual profit rate 51%. That's not actually correct. Let's calculate first not the total trades. Let's calculate the number of patterns. And to do that, I am to divide this number by 2 because every pattern has 2 trades. Okay, 71.5 because half of trade is still somewhere. Maybe it is still running. Okay, let's calculate the amount of winners. Let me do that. Let's do that. Winners count like this. Okay, and the formula should look this way. Count F. This is Russian formula. That's why I just count F. Do this. Okay, next I am to find the last 144 is my last trade, and the range is as follows: starting from N2 and going all the way down to N144. This is the range to find those trades that are more than 0, and then we should count how many trades we have. So it is 88, but we know what should we know? They are 88. We don't actually know how many trades we have. I don't know either it is a first target winner or a second target winner or both. So they are all calculated. Okay, let it be. Let it be. The second manipulation is this. So here we have first target winners, second target winners, and zeros. Zeros should be calculated as winners as well. And here we have losers, losers, and losers. Losers count. Okay, and it should be count this way. Copy this formula, Control C, go to here, paste this formula, and instead of more than 0, do the same, less than 0. Done. It is 55 losers. Okay, the losers are a bit different. So when I hit the loser, I actually hit 2 trades being losers. So the losers can be divided by 2, like this, and it is 27. And here we can divide this by 2 as well, because we have first target and second target. This is situation number 1, and then we have first target and 0. This is the situation number 2. So either this or that scenario, it can be divided by 2 as well. So 44 patterns won, and 27.5 were lost. So half a loss. What is it? Half loss? Don't know what is that half loss. Okay, it should be, maybe I placed some trade and I had to delete that and it was slightly negative. Don't remember that. Maybe it was some mistaken trade. Doesn't matter. Let's do the next calculation. So I have 44 patterns being winners out of 71. So the true accuracy instead of 51% should be this, divided by total trades. So it is 62%, 61.48. So let's do this. How many trades are losers? It is pretty simple. We should do this. 1 minus this equals this, and we should do the same format cells. Okay, done. What is this? Let me paste it here. Okay, and now let's calculate the average winner versus the average loser. Okay, you should know the outcome of the trade. Yes, let's suppose I'm only risking $1 on every trade. Yes, so if I risk $1 on every trade, in most cases on average I have $1 winner. $1 winner. So let me calculate it this way. So my total risk is $1 on first position and $1 on second position. Yes, this is outcome number 1, loser and loser. Outcome number 2, the winning trades. I win $1, this is my first position, and I win 161A, this is my second position. So in case I hit 2 targets. And the next is this. The next outcome is this. I win $1, but then the price reverses and I win 0. So it is this. So if we calculate the average of these outcomes, of those winning outcomes versus those losing outcomes, we will know the average risk to reward. Okay, what is the average zero trade here? We have -1, -1, and if we calculate the average of this, it should be this way. The formula is SR. Arithmetic. So it means average arithmetic. Not SR. This is the formula. This is number 1, this is number 2. Average of those two equals this. Come on. So the average is 0.1. Perfect. Okay, if we copy this and paste it, let's say here. Okay, and here in this average section, we do the adjustment. We include this. We include 1, we include 1, we include 161A, and we include 10. So it is this. Done. So the average risk to reward are actually 0.90. It is 0.90 because of those winners. So in advanced patterns, you should know that it should be 0.90 and 45. Okay, so if you look here, it is obviously more than that, more than 1. Yes, so something is not calculated the correct way. Let me explain what's wrong with that. Previously we had most of zeros being negative. Yes, so this means that some trades were -0. That's why the average losing trade is less, because you had small losers, like almost 0 losers, and because we don't have any zeros here, that's why the profit trades is large. We don't have that small winning trades like zeros, zero looking winning trades. Yes, that's why it is not correct. Okay, so how can we fix that? We should calculate the average. First of all, we should do it this way. It should be, sorry, the same formula. arithmetic. Okay, but this time it should be average if. This means average if. The range, we know the range, yes? So the range is 92 towards N144. So N2 towards N44. And what is the criteria? The criteria should be more than 0. Yes. So this means find the average of winners. This is the formula. Easily. So the average of winners is 18, 19, not 21. Okay, let me copy this formula like this. Let me copy it this way. Copy. Let me go to losing trades and let me paste the formula here, and instead of more than 0 I'm to type less than 0 within the same range but calculated losing trades. And so what I have 20. And now I understand that my true average risk to reward is less than 0. And if I do calculate the average risk to reward, it should be this. Equals negative equals negative this, and I am to calculate. No, it should be that. No, the risk to reward ratio is calculated like this. I wanted to apply a new formula, but it doesn't matter. This divided by this, but hey, come on. Divided, what is it? Divided by this, and it should be less than 0, like that. Okay, here's my actual risk to reward. You can see 0.974, so almost the same as it should be. So it absolutely resembles the what it should be. Okay, so what's next, guys? Actually, I have the results of being a bit better than they were in backtesting. In my backtesting, it should be 58% of winning trades, and I have 61%. I think it is because I have the new swing identification algorithm. With automatic pattern search, it was 58. With my manual swing identification, it is 61. So now you do understand what I mean when I say that automatic is for professional traders, and the manual is for professional traders, and automatic are mostly for intermediate and newbie traders. That's actually what I meant is that the professional trader knows the best swings. He trained his eyes, and no automatic algorithm can repeat those things that a professional trader can do manually, unless any type of artificial intelligence is developed. So artificial mentality or something like that can think. Robots can't think. They can only repeat the algorithmic actions. Okay, pound yen, look at this, it triggered touch in reverse by 0.4. So depending on your rules, if you backtested that those large candles are actually the hindrances for your trading, so you shouldn't enter if you have backtested them this way. If they are warning signs that the pattern is most likely to continue lower and you will hit the stop loss, then you should stay away from this trade. Well, that's it, I suppose, for today. Hope to see you on Monday. Maybe I will do another week of my analysis routine. As I like to say, it is always better to learn when you see somebody doing the same, the trading, let's say. You can hear that, you can read about this, but when you see somebody trading real time, when you see somebody doing some operation, and you can monitor his performance day after day, day after day, week after week, and maybe month after month, so it worth something. So this transparency is the key in my approach. I'm not trying to hide anything from you. If I have a loss, I have a loss. If I have a drawn, I have a drawn, and so that is my philosophy. So if you are interested in my software, click the link just below that description. It may be very useful for me. You can generate the same amount of money as I do with me because you use the same software. You'll find the same patterns mostly. Well, what else? If you like this video, you are welcome to hit those thumbs ups, subscribe for my next episodes, and share this video on social media. Until then, good luck and good trading. Hope to see you soon. Вон, где чуть-чуть поживее записано.
У меня же английский в ушах.